So now let's see how we can work around with the VLOOKUP function inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I got ID and product name over here. So what I want to do is I want to take the ID as a reference and then display out the product name over here. So in order to do that, I'm going to press equals and I'm going to type in VLOOKUP right here. So once I do that, you can see that this is the search key as it says. So I'm just going to go around and then keep the search key over here on the left side. So D2 is the search key and that is where it'll take reference from. So I'm going to press comma right here, and then if I were to click and drag this, then this is what you have, as you can see. So now I can tell the range from which it should display out the value. So I want it to display from the second column right here. So I'm just going to type 2, close the bracket and press enter. Right now it says an A right here, but if you were to type in some value which is not valid, it'll still show an A. So over here you can see that I got 122, 145 and other values right here. So let's say I want it to display PlayStation 4. So I'm just going to type in 167 right here because that is where I am taking the reference from. And now you can see that the value here says PlayStation 4. Let me just click and drag this out right here. And if I were to type in 122, then you can see that it says like that. So VLOOKUP is here. So it is taking the other cell as a reference right here. So let me just go around, correct out the formula a bit. So I don't want these to change out. So I'm going to go around and make it absolute right here by adding in the $sign, drag it in right here. So 122, it gives Wii, as you can see. 145, it gives GameCube right here. So 122 over here again, that's Wii again. So 189 right here, that's Wii U. And 145 and 1445. You can see that the respective values pop up over there. And that is how you can use the VLOOKUP function inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.